Okay, I'd like to make a small video on how you would go about replacing a power steering pump on a 2007 Dodge Caravan, but this idea fits 2001 to 2007 cars, so as long as you got a 3.3, if you're replacing a power steering pump, the first thing I would suggest is siphoning out all of the fluid that's in here. That'll be a first step. Then there's two hoses attached to here. Remove those after siphoning out the fluids. There's two bolts up here, 1 and 2, and then there's a third bolt that's actually kind of I'm going to show you if I can, but you got to actually get to it from the back, and there I'm wiggling it so you kind of see what area I'm going in, and you got to have a 10mm attached to that, so you remove that, but you don't have to back it off all the way. You can just give it a couple turns, remove those two bolts, and then you should be able to remove this with ease. And hopefully you'll have a smooth run at it. Take care.